Hello, now I'm going to talk about arrays and matrices in R. Matrix is a special case of an array, which a matrix is a two-dimensional array. So let's create a normal vector, and I now give this vector a dimension, and this is 4 by 5. I print A, and now it's not just a vector, it's a two-dimensional array or a matrix. And if you want to reference a certain entry in this matrix, you can do this with this notation. A second row and a fourth column is 14, is this entry. Okay, there's another way to create an array with the array function. We'll use 1 to 20, dimension 4 by 5. It's the same. Or for example, if you want an array just with zeros, you just put the zeros there, and as the zero is recycled as often as it's needed in this function. If I create a 4 by 5 matrix, it's recycled 20 times because the function needs 20 entries. Let's see. Okay. Now I create an index array. Array with the entries 1, 2, 1, 2, and dimension C 2 by 2. It's a 2 by 2 matrix. Let's see this little matrix, and now I give the index matrix as an index to the matrix A. So matrix A on the position I, which is a matrix itself. Let's see what happens. It's 1, 1 because it's a 1 and 1. It's this entry, and 2, 2 is this entry. So I got as a result those two zeros. Well, I create the array A new because so it's not just full of zeros. Let's see, this is 1 and 6. It's this 1, it's this 6 because it's entry 1 and 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 6. So this is another way to index a certain, or to reference a certain entry, or even a sub matrix of this whole matrix. You can do element by element multiplication with matrices. I create a new one, B. So I have A and B, it's the same. Now I multiply them. Okay, it's element by element, or of course you can all do this arithmetic, or you can just like this. You can transpose a matrix. This is done this way with a T function. Let's see, A and B is transposed. You can the diagonal matrix of A is diag A. The entries is 1, 6, 11, 16. The eigenvalues of A. Oh, it's not squared. The matrix not squared, so it doesn't work. So I make it a squared matrix array. 1 to 20. Let's say 60. Dimension C 4, 4. Okay, now it's squared matrix. Eigenvalues Those are the eigenvalues, and this is eigenvectors. You can save them in a variable like this, eigen A. Now if you just want to print the eigenvalues, you do it with this notation. Or eigenvectors. That's vectors. Object vectors not found. Why not? Oh, it's wrong. This is $vectors. Okay. You can calculate the rows, the number of rows of a matrix, or a number of columns. And you can this is element by element matrix multiplication, but you can do real matrix multiplication with this command, this operator. So this is a real matrix multiplication, which is very nice. You can do this in R with just one command. It saves a lot of work sometimes. Okay, in the next video I will talk about linear equations and how you can solve them with R.